Traveling the world is a thrilling experience. It allows us to encounter new cultures and create unforgettable memories. However, amidst the excitement, it's crucial to be aware of a harsh reality: tourist scams. These cunning ploys target unsuspecting travelers, turning their dream vacations into nightmares. Tourists often fall victim due to their unfamiliarity with local customs, language barriers, and eagerness to explore. Scammers exploit these vulnerabilities, leaving travelers feeling cheated and vulnerable. From inflated prices to staged distractions, these scams can happen anywhere in the world. The impact goes beyond financial loss. It can leave a sour taste, tarnishing the overall travel experience. Remember, awareness is your first line of defense. By understanding common scams and how to avoid them, you can protect yourself and ensure a more enjoyable and authentic travel experience. Let's delve into some prevalent tourist scams with real-life examples. Imagine arriving in a new city, excited to explore. You hail a taxi, only to be overcharged at the end of the ride. This common scam often involves rigged meters or drivers taking longer routes. Always insist on using the meter or negotiate the fare up front. A friendly locale offers to be your guide, showing you hidden gems. However, they lead you to overpriced shops or demand exorbitant fees for their services. Always opt for licensed guides or reputable tour companies to avoid this. You stumble upon a street vendor selling authentic souvenirs at unbelievably low prices. Beware, these items are often counterfeit. Purchase souvenirs from reputable shops to ensure quality and authenticity. A passerby accidentally spills something on you. While you're distracted cleaning up, an accomplice makes off with your belongings. Be wary of staged distractions and always keep your valuables secure. A charming local strikes up a conversation, eventually inviting you for a drink. This seemingly harmless encounter can turn into a nightmare if they lead you to an overpriced bar where you'll be forced to pay exorbitant fees. These are just a few examples of the many tourist scams that exist. Remember to trust your instincts and be cautious of overly friendly strangers or situations that feel too good to be true. Now that we've explored common scams, let's discuss practical tips to safeguard your trip. Before you go, research common scams in the area. Knowledge is power, and understanding potential threats will empower you to avoid them. Avoid looking like a typical tourist. Dress down, avoid flashy jewelry, and study local customs to minimize attracting unwanted attention. Keep your valuables secure at all times. Use hotel safes for important documents and money. Carry your bag close to your body and be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas. Always negotiate prices for services like taxis and souvenirs before committing. Confirm the currency and clarify any additional charges to avoid surprises. Don't be afraid to say no if someone makes you feel uncomfortable or pressured. Trust your instincts and walk away from any situation that seems suspicious. The power of knowledge. Staying informed for a safer journey. Staying informed is crucial in the fight against tourist scams. By arming yourself with knowledge, you can travel confidently and avoid falling prey to these deceitful practices. Remember that scammers are constantly evolving their tactics. Stay updated on the latest scams by reading travel forums, blogs, and government websites. Being aware of current trends will give you an edge in recognizing and avoiding potential threats. Share your knowledge with fellow travelers. By spreading awareness, we can collectively create a safer and more enjoyable travel environment for everyone. Encourage others to stay informed and report any scams they encounter. Knowledge is your best defense against tourist scams. By staying informed, being vigilant, and trusting your instincts, you can navigate the world of travel with confidence and enjoy authentic, unforgettable experiences. Sharing is caring. Join the community, spread the word. Have you ever encountered a travel scam or have any tips to share? We encourage you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Your stories can help fellow travelers stay safe and avoid similar pitfalls. Let's work together to create a community of informed and empowered travelers. Subscribe to our newsletter for more travel tips, destination guides, and exclusive deals. Safe travels and happy adventures.